In like way as Copernicus delivered the heliocentric version, we may want to look one more time at our massive figuring out a dialogue in cosmology referred to as the disaster. Current-day cosmology has arisen. Neil deGrasse Tyson pronounces that the James Webb finding has settled this discussion with a cloth technological know-how-breaking photograph. So what's this emergency, and how has the James Webb Space Telescope brought to it? For those new, it's hard for antique timers to really take a look at it as a disaster. Anyway, we are in a circumstance wherein we failed to actually recognize the age or size contemporary today's universe as they are associated with a variable. Join us as we look into the real edges of modern-day contemporary science, where our statistics is normally addressed, and sudden exposures are made. The preferred model, state-of-the-art present-day cosmology, a smooth accomplishment all during the past 100 years, systems the universe's course, modern-day movement, current-day reviews, and present status. Gravity mediated with the useful resource of state-of-the-art huge relativity basically coordinates the universe's progression, identifying its extension and the game plan. Modern-day ultramodern excellent high-quality plans. Elements incorporate darkish power, darkish be counted, regular depend, neutrinos, and photons. The universe began from the latest huge bang around 13.8 billion years back, preceded with the useful resource of modern-day extension, causing density defects. However, this model, not persevering with enormous observational assistance, is now under a magnifying glass with the JWST. Cosmologists have another equipment that has been making troubles in our norm model. In the early universe before stars or alternatively frameworks arose, neutral debris follows 30,000 years published Big Bang. Reionization lasted 550 million years. In the long run, at some other time when most reductively, the universe became ionized, the JWST presents cosmologists to discover a much newer universe than previously feasible, providing new studies into the early universe. The usual model recognized as the inflationary heat big explosion or lambda CDM has discovered various components. Cutting edge, the universe, but clashing evidence has arisen, resulting in an emergency. State-of-the-art cosmology, the catastrophe, is crucial. We do not appreciably have any idea approximately the age contemporary today's universe, and specific strategies supply different outcomes. One tech approach used to quantify the universe's age is the massive microwave establishment. Researchers jump into the universe's improvement records, utilizing numerical demonstrating based totally on Einstein's cutting-edge relativity concept. This hypothesis produces the Friedmann conditions connecting the universe's format with its extension charge at unique times. The amazing microwave establishment, ultimate slight from the early day modern the universe, is a crucial contraption in estimating its properties, makes a decision cautious maps, modern-day the CMB, like those from the European Space Agency's Planck mission want facts on dark strength, a critical participant within the nonstop universe. Despite these issues, researchers make use of the Friedmann situations to decide the improvement tempo, modern-day the universe. At some random time, they could decide the universe's improvement rate and, thusly, its ongoing age. Another method to qualify the universe's age is by exploring exploding stars. While the massive microwave establishment gives a precise file, contemporary the universe's introduction. Seeing the universe's increase at once as possible through anomalies like Type A Supern NOI, wherein a star dumps its air onto a nearby white dwarf. M to a surprising explosion, these Supern NOI act as reliable benchmarks, noted as standard candles, allowing researchers to gauge the universe's development fee on the hour, in their event. This method, seriously utilized in the last modern day the 1990s, assumed a massive component in locating darkish energy, becoming a foundation in cosmological estimations. It is especially beneficial for identifying the Hubble normal a percentage, modern day the universe's development charge, for the reason that Big Bang. However, recent observations have shown errors within the development rate, indicating potential obscure forces at play. NASA has observed a beguiling perception. Assuming that the universe's improvement eases again, it suggests a capability, a significant impact, modern-day obscure forces like darkish count. However, Assuming that the improvement fee hurries up, it might be attributed to dark energy. The Hubble Space Telescope and exceptional units have measured evolving development fees throughout extraordinary observation focuses. Edwin Hubble, after whom the telescope is named, first proposed the enlargement fee in 1929, at the beginning deciphered as galaxies getting far away from every other. It's now recognized because the universe's growth. But accommodating estimations from distinct telescopes and techniques remain hard. Notwithstanding technological enhancements, mistakes maintain measuring the universe's age and development charge. Whilst those progressions plan to respond to primary inquiries, they grow more vulnerabilities. One proposed explanation for the errors involves possibly imperfections in massive microwave establishment estimations or versions in darkish L electricity. After some time, one more chance is the intricacy modern-day demonstrating supern NOI, correctly leading to uncertainties in their use as cosmological contraptions. The James Webb Space Telescope, while adding to our knowledge, has moreover complicated cosmological problems, similarly suggesting the requirement for a reassessment modern-day our cutting-edge scientific information. The Flamingo task, a critical pressure in the Virgo Consortium, addresses a multidisciplinary attempt regarding astrophysicists,
NASA researchers have just announced that this planet is
computational
actually
scientists,
impossible,
and
but it
records
really
miners.
exists.
This cooperative
Centauri
effort is
b
centered
is
on
real,
carrying
and
out
it's beyond anything we thought possible in astronomy.
E428A5C6-Day3 at
With the discovery of this giant, we are once again faced with the big question of what is really possible in this
D0PC
universe.
simulations that
It
span the
seems as
complete
if the
astronomical
universe is
timetable from
constantly
the early
confronting
moments
us
modern
with
day the
extreme
universe's
discoveries,
foundation
new
to the present day
superlatives,
day.
and unsolvable
These
puzzles.
simulations are powered through
B Centauri b
4982
not only blows up everything that has gone before in terms of size,
D5
but this incredible planet also orbits two of the craziest and deadliest stars in the known universe.
331,547 dB.
Jupiter is by far the largest
Algorithms
planet
and
in our
mathematical
solar system.
strategies that embody our
More
modern-day
than
information.
1,300 times our
Cutting-edge
little
day
Earth would
important
fit
bodily
inside the gas
strategies
giant.
governing the universe.
And now, imagine
By
that
comparing those
Centauri b
simulations
is more
against a
than 10
wealth of
times the
modern-day
size of our
observational
Jupiter.
facts, scientists
This planet
can
is
validate
not
their
only the
fashions
largest
and
we've
gain
ever
insights
discovered,
into
but
the
also
underlying
the most
mechanisms
massive because
using
it
cosmic
orbits two
development.
extremely hot B-type
This
stars,
ambitious
which are
task
among the
requires
most
great
massive and
computational
brightest stars
assets,
in the
and the
universe.
Flamingo task brand modern
The environment
high-performance
around
computing
these stars
clusters
is
and
actually so hostile
supercomputers to
due
perform
strong
its
radiation
simulations.
and extreme temperatures
These
that the
computational
existence of this
facilities
giant
allow
planet
scientists
is a
to
real
simulate
miracle.
widespread volumes
B
modern-day
Centauri b
area
was
at high
discovered by an
decision,
international
permitting
team
them
of
to
astronomers
cognizance on the
hunting for
formation
exoplanets
contemporary
with the
day
European Southern
galaxies,
Observatory's
galaxy
Very Large
clusters,
Telescope
and
in the
large-scale
Chilean
cosmic
Atacama
systems
Desert.
with wonderful detail.
The Very Large Telescope
Investment
is one
for the
of the most
Flamingo mission
advanced optical
comes from diverse
telescopes in
sources,
the world and enables
including presence
observations
from the
of distant
European
planets
Research
in
Council,
visible and infrared
National
light.
Science and Technology
Thanks to this
Corporations,
technology,
and
we can
scientific
discover
research
small
establishments.
objects such as exoplanets in the
This
vastness
economic
of the
manual
cosmos
permits
with
the
exceptional
undertaking crew to
clarity
get
and
right
detail.
today's entry to
The discovery of B Centauri
4,982
b was first announced in
D564
December
F1
2751.
2751 C4
The discovery was not only a real
E63
surprise in terms of the size of the planet, but also an
470B
important breakthrough
computational
in the study
infrastructure,
of exoplanets
extraordinarily
that exist
expert
in
workforce,
multiple
and
star
quicker
systems.
international collaboration
We
critical
only
for
have one
advancing
star
cosmic
in our
expertise
system,
through
and so the planets
Flamingo
orbit
Venture
around a
and
center
similar
in a certain
initiatives by
order.
combining theoretical
In
modeling
multiple
with
star
observational
systems,
record
there are
scientists'
2,
purpose
3,
to resolve
or
the
even 4
complexities
stars that orbit
contemporary
each
the
other,
universe's
and their planets
statistics
orbit
and
the
shed
central
light
star
on
to
its
which they
vital.
belong.
Houses
You
the
can well
Flamingo
imagine
mission
that
a
this
critical
leads to
attempt
interesting
inside the Virgo
constellations
Consortium
and that there is more
epitomizes a
confusion
collaborative
in such
strive among
systems, and the
astrophysicists,
planets are exposed to
cosmologists,
more extreme
computational
mutual
scientists, and data
influences.
analysts. This
It looks
interdisciplinary
like B
technique
Centauri
is
b
vital
is
for
the
tackling
only
the complex
exoplanet in its star
challenges
system,
inherent in
and that's not
expertise. The
really
evolution
surprising
model in the
because the
universe at its
environment
center
of
the
the
Flamingo
stars is not
task
exactly what
provides
you would
advanced
call inviting.
computational techniques to
How could the
simulate the
planet
complete
form?
cosmic timeline from
The
the earliest
exciting question
moments after the
surrounding
Big
this
Bang to
unusual
the current.
exoplanet is how it was able to
Today,
form
these
in such an
simulations, powered through
inhospitable place in
cutting-edge
the first
algorithms,
place.
constitute our modern-day
Planets are
expertise.
always
Contemporary
preceded by a
fundamental
star or,
physical
as in this
tactics
case of a
governing the
binary
universe
star
by
system,
comparing the
by two
simulated
stars.
records with observational fact.
According to
Scientists
today's
can
astronomers,
decide the
stars
accuracy
are
of their
formed from
fashions and gain
condensing gas
insights
clouds.
into the underlying mechanisms
Remnants
driving
of gas
cosmic
and dust
evolution.
remain
The
around the
fashionable
young stars in the
cosmological
form of
version
rotating
recognizes
disks
any
in which planets can
variations
then
that might
form.
mission our ongoing
However,
expertise.
in extremely
Contemporary
hot stars
eternal
such
motion
as B
Perez,
Centauri,
dear Carlos.
the radiation from the star normally
Frank, a crucial
destroys the
collaborator
remaining disk
inside the
quite
Flamingo
quickly,
studies,
and so
and
no
Ogden
planets are
Pezendieser
formed.
contemporary key
So
physical
what was
science at
different
Durham
about B
University
Centauri that
stressed the
allowed a
huge
planet
moment
to
in
form,
cosmology
and one of
that
this
the project
extreme
addresses.
size?
He said the cosmology
In the
is at
large
a
gas
convergence
cloud
with
in
new
which the B
telescopes
Centauri
supplying
system
ultra-modern
formed,
accurate
there must have been an
statistics that
additional
won't
dense
flawlessly
region that
align with
somehow
our
would stop the
theoretical models.
extreme
This
radiation of the
inconsistency
young
raises
stars,
questions
and
on
it
the
was in
validity,
this special region that
contemporary,
the
our
only and
present-day
gigantic
fashions,
exoplanet
and the
in the
possible
system formed.
lifestyles contemporary day.
Experts further explain explain the
Biases
formation
coincidentally,
of B Centauri
we may
b
also
as a
want to
direct
resolve the
relic of a
universe
disk
the Flamingo
instability that
undertaking
resembles
builds
a
upon beyond
dramatic and violent
generations
event.
that typically targeted on
In this
bloodless dark
process,
count,
the
but presently
protoplanetary
places
disk
more
orbiting the
emphasis
star
on
cools
incorporating
and is
ordinary be
gravitationally
counted,
broken
which
up into
consists
one
of best
or more
16%
planet-sized
contemporary
fragments.
the universe, as well as
Instead of
neutrinos
gradually
led by
evolving from a
Professor
small
Gustav
core that
Lupin from
accumulates
Strong
matter and
University
gas,
researchers,
the planet is
conducted
formed
big
here practically in a
simulations
rapid
using the
process
Cosma
under
8
extreme
supercomputer
conditions.
at the Durham Excessive
This type of
Performance
planet
Computing
formation
Facility.
contrasts with the more traditional
These simulations
model of core
spanned over
accretion,
years
in
and
which
taken into
planets evolve
consideration
from
the
bottom up
impact
by
cutting-edge day,
accumulating
both
more
dark
and more
rely
material
and
from
every
their
day be
surroundings.
counted with a specific attention
Disk
on the chap to
instability
acquire
offers
those
an
simulations
alternative
researchers
explanation of
introduced
how
a new
large gas
code
giants
called
such
Quick,
as
which
B
enabled to
Centauri
spread
b can
modern-day
form in a
computational
system that is actually
responsibilities
considered
across lots
totally
contemporary
unfavorable for
important
planet
processing
formation
units,
due to the
achieving up to
intense radiation and enormous gravitational forces of the nearby
0
massive
PC
stars.
chips. This cutting-edge
There seems to
computation
be nothing
method
impossible
considered
in
a
our
point
cosmos,
with the
and we
of-point
can only
assessment.
marvel at the ways in which the
Contemporary
universe
day,
finds
the
to create
universe's
bizarre
movement giving
objects,
insights
huge
into the role
planets, and other
contemporary day
curiosities.
regular matter in shaping boundless
In view of
plans,
these
notwithstanding the
groundbreaking
issues offered through
astronomers
errors
have had
amongst
to admit that
observational
for a long time
information
they had
and
a far too
hypothetical
narrow
models. The
view of
Flamingo
how
assignment
planets form
addresses a
and how they
plan,
do not
tried to
form
push the
based on
boundaries
our own
present-day
solar
day,
system.
how we could decipher the
Our
universe through
really
thorough
does seem to
computational
keep leading our
simulations,
researchers by the
interdisciplinary
nose and
collaboration,
making them
and a
charmingly realize
dedication
that
to
despite
medical
their intensive
inquiry
studies,
professionals
they are
plan
still
to
only
resolve.
scratching the surface of what
The
really
mysteries
lies in the
contemporary day,
vastness of the
perpetual
cosmos.
development and gain similarly
Alpha Centauri
insights
and
into the
B
key nature
Centauri.
contemporary
Is there a
day of
connection?
the universe. Albert
You may
Einstein's
be
idea
familiar with the
contemporary
Centauri
day,
system
trendy
from a
relativity,
completely different
transformed
context.
our expertise state-of-the-art
Alpha
gravity
Centauri is our
by using
nearest star
conceptualizing
system,
existence
just
as a
4.3
unified
light
texture,
years away.
which he named spacetime. This
3
progressive
stars
framework
orbit
defined
around the
gravity,
common center.
no longer as a pressure
Not
performing
so
at
long
a
ago,
distance, but
researchers thought that
alternatively
Alpha
as the
Centauri was
EB
a
and
single
glide
star until
contemporary
better
day
telescopes showed
spacetime
that it was
because
a
of
double
the
star.
present
A little
contemporary
later,
day mass
third
and
star
power
was